Dix Systems presents the OneLiner installation video, the one and only structured shower liner. What lies beneath? This is the critical question when installing any type of tiled shower floor. No matter how beautiful your shower is when it is finished, if the shower pan is not properly installed, you can end up with thousands of dollars in repairs. The Dix Systems OneLiner is the one and only structured shower liner. Dix Systems has helped thousands of do-it-yourselfers, contractors, and home builders protect their tile showers from leaks and mildew for over 15 years. With our quality products, we help create the tile showers of your dreams from the bottom up. In this DVD presentation, we give you a step-by-step look at how to install the OneLiner with the confidence our customers have come to expect. As a bonus feature on this DVD, we also have the step-by-step installation on a few products available from Dix Systems Incorporated. Step 1. Floor prep. To begin any quality shower installation, you must start with a structurally sound and properly prepared subfloor. Unbolt and remove clamp section of the 3-part clamp drain. The bottom half of the roughed-in shower drain and shower floor must be level. This is very important. If the drain is out of level, this will greatly affect the finished floor's appearance and function by looking unpleasing and being raised around the drain, as well affecting the draining of the shower floor. Pre-pitch installation. The pre-pitch kit that is included in your OneLiner shower kit is the first step of building the proper subfloor pitch needed underneath the OneLiner to ensure that all secondary water flows to the drain to help eliminate mold and mildew created by standing water. Once you have determined that the shower's drain and subfloor are level, lay out the pre-pitch sticks on the subfloor to determine how many sticks will be needed to accommodate the floor's particular shape. Reverse mark each stick that needs to be cut to length. If the wall is farther than 3 feet from the drain, extended pre-pitch sticks are available. Cut with PVC pipe cutters, hacksaw, or a dry diamond blade cutter. Stick ends should be spaced less than 2.5 feet apart to make screeding easier. The thin end of pre-pitch should remain about 1/2 inch back from the edge of the drain's bottom flange. This eliminates a step down after the drain's top flange is attached. On concrete, use 2-sided tape to hold pre-pitch in place while the area is being filled with mortar. On wood subfloor installations, use screws or nails to secure pre-pitch to the floor. Be sure the screws or nails are countersunk so that they do not rub the liner. Mortar installation. Use of the mortar box. Mix the dry ingredients of your mortar, 1 part Portland cement and 4 parts sand, with your shovel or trowel. Add enough water to the dry admix or premix to bring this floor floating material to the consistency of a compact snowball. This consistency will allow the material to be easily distributed, troweled, and tamped. Starting with the area farthest from your exit, spread your moistened admix one section at a time. Slightly overfill the section and spread the mud with your trowel or screed stick by dragging it along the top surface of the float sticks. Tamp or lightly compact the mud with your trowel. After tamping and compacting, use your sponge to sprinkle water, approximately half a gallon, over entire surface. Mix mortar slightly wetter than a dry pack type mixture. This will yield better results for the thin fill close to the drain. Screed each cell fully and screed to top float sticks and let set. Step 2. OneLiner installation. Check measurements of the OneLiner and shower floor. If not exact fit, center the shower liner within the shower area. If too big, notch bottoms of studs up to 10 inch in height. If too small, strapping on studs may be necessary to form exact fit. Apply plumber's caulk completely around the drain on the outside of the bolt area. Insert your Dix Systems OneLiner on top of the pre-pitch mortar bed. This can be done immediately after pre-pitch mud bed is completed. Step 3. Cutting drain hole. Once the OneLiner has been inserted into the shower area on top of the pre-pitch sticks, you will be able to see the drain through the opaque polyethylene plastic. Using a black felt marker, mark out the bolt holes. Using your utility knife, puncture a hole in the center of the drain. Cut out the diameter of the drain hole. By lifting the OneLiner, identify bolt hole locations. Carefully cut around the bolt holes. Do not cut past bolt holes. Drain attachment. Replace bolt flange over bolts. Lock into place by tightening clockwise. Tighten bolts securely down onto flange. Step 4. Cutting the curb. In preparation for the Curb Perfect included in your OneLiner kit, take the black felt marker and mark your line using the top of the 2x4s on the outside of the OneLiner as a guide. Take your utility knife, using the 2x4 curb as a straight edge, cut the OneLiner flush with the curb. Waterproofing the curb. Using the bituthene supplied in your OneLiner kit, lay the bituthene over top of the curb and allow to drop 1 inch into the OneLiner. At door jamb, wrap bituthene around door opening and OneLiner, sealing all edges and corners to 3 inch in height at door jambs. Step 5. Install vapor barrier. Dix Systems uses CertainTeed membrane as the vapor barrier of choice in its installation procedures. CertainTeed membrane is an innovative vapor and air barrier film that is breathable and allows moisture to escape, keeping walls dry year-round. Traditional 6mm poly doesn't breathe, so moisture gets trapped inside wall cavities. Allow vapor barrier to drape inside liner. If there is any moisture buildup, it will weep into pan. If vapor barrier is already installed, use tuck tape to tape barrier to OneLiner. This still allows any possible moisture buildup to weep into pan. Installing the backer board, cement board. The unique design of the Dix Systems OneLiner includes a manufactured lip on all 15 of our standard size OneLiners to assist you with your backer board, cement board placement. Notch out the backer board, cement board to fit over curb. Let the board rest on the manufactured lip. To attach, screw the top of the board to the stud to hold in place. Using a straight edge and your marker, draw a line on the board to the top of the OneLiner. This will prevent you from screwing into the OneLiner. Finish installing the rest of your backer board, cement board in your shower area. Continue to draw your line completely around the board to avoid screwing into the OneLiner. Trim vapor barrier snug to the bottom of the backer board. Step 6. Installing Curb Perfect. Assemble the 2 side panels with the 2 1¼ inch screws supplied. Be sure not to over-tighten. Attach top panel to assembled side panels using the 8 3/4 inch stainless self-tapping screws supplied. Be sure the arrows on top panel are pointed to inside of the shower. Do not over-tighten. Trim inside panel to allow for pre-pitch using snips, hacksaw, or grinder. Fit assembled curb over membrane wrap 2x4s. Attach with galvanized nails, not supplied, to the exterior only. Caution: do not nail to inside of curb. Doing so will jeopardize the integrity of the OneLiner. Installing a handy curb for handicap individuals. Start installing the handy curb. Cut curb length to fit opening. Position curb in place. Attach handy curb to subfloor using 1-inch wood screws. Note: apply mortar as seen in step 8 after the quick pitch system has been installed. Step 7. Quick pitch weep hole protector. Quick pitch, properly installed, will ensure a minimum drainage slope of 1/4 inch fall in elevation per 12-inch run. The quick pitch center ring and float sticks are designed to stay in the floor, providing reinforcement to the mortar bed. Quick pitch also allows the drain riser to be adjusted up and down to compensate for the different thicknesses of the tiles and to allow for removal at any time to clear any blockage. The quick pitch standard installation kit is designed for an approximate 36-inch by 60-inch area, with the drain positioned in the center. The quick pitch extended float stick kit is designed for those elongated or irregularly shaped installations where the distance from the drain to walls and corners exceed 36 inch. Unscrew threaded drain riser and position center ring on top of flange adapter bolts, with the float stick socket openings pointing up. When you have upgraded and purchased a square drain from Dix Systems Incorporated, you will receive a larger adapter center ring that facilitates the use of the square drain with the Dix Systems OneLiner. The center ring is designed to sit on top of the flange adapter bolts. This clearance adds 1/2 inch in height to conform to the 1.5 inch minimum mortar bed requirement, allows for the pre-pitch, and provides optimum efficiency for moisture to pass through the weep holes. The positive weep protector provided in your Dix Systems OneLiner kit ensures that the weep holes are protected from being plugged during installation. Install the positive weep protector under the center ring. This can be done now or after the quick pitch sticks are in place. Once the drain riser is replaced at the end of instructions, the positive weep protector will be held in place. Pre-position float sticks. Insert the male tab on narrow end of float stick into the selected female socket of the center ring so that the tops of the float stick and center ring are flush. It is desirable for the float stick end furthest from the center ring to be approximately 2 to 2.5 feet from adjacent float stick end. Cut sticks to desired length. Add extra or extended float sticks as needed. Install positive weep hole protector provided under center ring around the drain. Reinstall drain riser into drain flange adapter to hold the center ring and float sticks in place. Cover drain holes in cover plate with masking tape to keep drain clean during balance of installation. With the larger ring square drain combo, the white cap on the square drain will ensure that no mortar goes down the drain. Step 8. Mortar installation. At this time, you should fill any benches installed. Please refer to bench installation instructions. Mix the dry ingredients of your mortar, 1 part Portland cement and 4 parts sand, with your shovel or trowel. Add enough water to the dry admix or premix to bring this floor floating material to the consistency of a compact snowball. This consistency will allow the material to be easily distributed, troweled, and tamped. Note: if a level line where wall and shower floor meet, or a greater pitch is desired, sticks may be shimmed. Pack mud under sticks to shim to desired height. Starting with the area farthest from your exit, spread your moistened admix 1 section at a time. Slightly overfill the section and spread the mud with your trowel or screed stick by dragging it along the top surface of the float sticks. With the larger ring square drain combo, fill ring with mortar. The white cap on the square drain will ensure that no mortar goes down the drain. Tamp or lightly compact the mud with your trowel. Mortar installation for curb perfect. After tamping and compacting, use your sponge to sprinkle water, approximately ½ gallon, over entire surface. Let dry overnight. Finishing touches. String a level system. Designed primarily for shower wall tile installations, the string a level tile support system is for use on any wall-mounted tile installation where tile begins above the floor. However, we also used it when we installed our bench, making that installation a one-man job. Roughly set up the string a level that will best fit your particular project. Determine desired layout reference point and mark wall. Hold first section to mark and secure one end of string a level to wall using drywall screws. Be sure not to over-tighten. Extend piece making sure bubbles are in the level position and screw in opposite end. Interlock following sections by sliding ends into one another and repeat securing procedure. Begin mounting your material. After material has set, unscrew string a level to remove. Make sure to fill in all screw holes with caulking to ensure a watertight shower. Finishing touches. Curb silk installation. Cut the curb silk cultured marble threshold to the required length with a hacksaw, masonry blade, circular saw, or wet saw. Clean all surfaces before adhering the threshold to shower curb. Adhere using polymer modified thinset or acrylic tile mastic. See your tile specialist. Build up outside edge of curb with thinset to create an approximate 1/4 inch slope toward inside of shower. For watertight seals, caulk at walls and under thresholds with silicone caulking. Bonus features. Installation of a bench. When you have purchased any one of our 4 sizes of benches, you may decide to install them at this point, or you may decide to install them after the Dix Systems OneLiner has been completely installed. However, for the purpose of this video, we have decided to install them now. Position the bench at the desired location and mark mounting holes on substrate. One at a time, inject a small amount of adhesive caulk in each mounting hole. Insert fastener or wood screw and tighten completely. Place a continuous bead of adhesive caulk along the top edge of the bench and the wall surface. Note: mortar in bench and floor are the same. Both will be mortared at the same time. Apply mortar to completely fill bench unit. Allow for surface drainage by building mortar up in back corner and screeding even with upper front lip of bench. pack mortar tightly, allowing the mortar to press through the front holes. Fill any voids in front channel and screed mortar flush with upper and lower lip of channel. Bonus features. Installation of a niche. When you have purchased any one of our 4 sizes of niches, you may decide to install them at this point, or you may decide to install them after the Dix Systems OneLiner has been completely installed. However, for the purpose of this video, we have decided to install them now. Place unit at desired location with flange away from surface. Note: care should be taken to position unit in a manner as not to conflict with any structural wall framing members. Trace perimeter of the niche on substrate and place unit aside. Enlarge marked layout by ½ inch on all sides and cut out substrate. Hint: first measure the location of where you would like to place your niche. Then take measurement to backer board cement board and cut board prior to installing board on wall to avoid cutting through framing members. Add a continuous bead of adhesive caulk on back of mounting flange. And secure to wall cavity with supplied wall fasteners. Tighten all fasteners and do not over-tighten. Conclusion. Our aim at Dix Systems is for our customers to experience the wonderful warmth and beautiful style that comes with any tile shower floor, and that what lies beneath their shower floor will give them a confidence for many years to come. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us on our toll-free number 1-888-450-0112.